60 words per minute, May 1979. A. Yes, start. Until now, as bills come in, you have had to write out checks and use envelopes and postage in set individual accounts. Perhaps you think, as we do, that this is rather an old type procedure and the new scheme is intended to eliminate some of the unnecessary work. Paragraph. While using credit transfer, all you need to do is to fill in a form similar to that which is shown below for each of the bills you have to pay and give the forms to us with a list with one check only to cover the total amount to be charged to your account. You can either hand the complete forms and covering check to us across the counter, or if you would prefer to do so, you can send them to us by post. We will then distribute the slips to the branch banks you have shown on the forms, who will credit the accounts indicates and pass the slips to the payees as an advice. Paragraph. However, may bills you pay at one time, you will not need more than one check and one envelope. Paragraph. Some large undertakings will be sending you credit transfer slips with their bills before long, but many creditors will be prepared to see you use the system now. If you would like to do so, ask the people to whom you pay bills regularly to let you know the bank and the branch at which they keep the account to be credited with the account due from you and any reference which they would like you to quote on the credit slip. Please make a proper and correct note of these particulars, and we shall be glad to supply the forms which you can use when the next bill comes along for payment.